Oh my god! Whoa! Hey guys, it's Emma, and today I'm going to be filming a pack with me for New York video / travel essentials, but it's not really, I don't know, it's kind of a mix of both. And yeah, so I'm going to New York tomorrow with my mom and my best friend Alexa because I have gymnastics meet and we're going to be staying in Times Square, which I'm not that happy about because, I don't know, I don't really like Times Square. It's just so touristy and it's honestly overrated. Like, it's just not that fun. Like, you go there once and you're like, dope, like, this place is sick, but... Okay, so probably the most important thing I'm packing is my leotard. You know? Just a little bit important, considering that's what I'm going to be wearing to compete. And I actually think this is like the most beautiful leotard I've ever owned and ever been able to compete in. When my coach showed it to us, when she first designed it, it looked so ugly online. Like, I'm not even talking like, oh, it's not that cute. No, it was like disgusting. And I was like, oh, that's really cute. But then they came. And I don't know, I just love the mesh sleeves and all the gem detailing. And the ombre actually looked good. Like, that was the worst part of it online, was the ombre. It looked terrible. But this is honestly the most beautiful leotard I've ever seen, so. Alright, next I need 2 days of clothes packed because we're leaving tomorrow, so obviously I'm not going to pack what I'm going to wear tomorrow. So I only need 2 days. So on Saturday, it's going to be relatively warm actually. My mom looked. I'm just going to be wearing black jeans. These are from PacSun. And my Lucky Brand sweater, the one I got at Revolve on Newbury Street. And, okay, wait, actually, you're just going to see the sneakers in the vlog because they're both downstairs and I'm not. My camera's like low on life, so I just need to make this as fast as I can. But I'm wearing my white snake print, my like black and white snake print, Roshis, and these new like Balenciaga-esque sneakers, like the ones that kind of have like a sock up your leg, kind of like only a little bit, like, it's so hard to explain without showing them, but they look a lot like the Balenciaga ones. I mean, that's obviously what they're trying to copy. I got them from Aldo for like $30, but I love them. I personally really think shoes that like have socks, like, I think they're cool. And they're becoming like such a huge trend, which is weird to me because Nike has had that kind of shoe forever, not forever, but for a few years, like a few solid years, maybe 5, 6, 7, I don't know. And they're not like as tall, the ones they originally had, and obviously they weren't fashion shoes, but now like Balenciaga came out with those and everyone's copying those. And then there's all those booties that have like the sock like tight part, it's not like actual leather or anything stiff holding it up. And then I know Kanye has those high heel things with a sock. It's basically like you put a sock around your heel, and like all the Kardashians were wearing them. I think those look sick, but you know, don't really have a lot of money to drop, so. One of my biggest travel tips is if you're going somewhere and you're gonna be doing a ton of walking, bring sneakers. Not even sneakers, just comfortable shoes, because there's nothing worse than walking around in the most uncomfortable shoes all day. Like when I was in Philly and I was touring Drexel, I wore my Steve Madden Gaze booties, the white ones with a decent heel. I decided it would be a great idea to wear those on my tour, where we did a ton of walking around the city, and by the end of the tour I like wanted to cry, and it was just like, why did I do that to myself? It was stupid. So just my biggest tip, bring sneakers or some kind of flat, comfortable shoe if you're doing more than I don't know how much walking, but I would definitely, we're not like doing anything fancy during this trip, so it's not like I need any kind of cute shoe, and if I take pictures, like, and the sneakers don't necessarily look great with the outfit, just leave them out of the picture. Okay, and then on Sunday, that's the day we'll be going home, I'm packing these Zara jeans. They're a little bit frayed at the ends, and I'm going to wear those with, I don't know which pair of sneakers yet, haven't decided, but I'm going to wear them with this J. Crew red peplum shirt Just a great pop of color to any outfit, in my personal opinion. And then I will top that outfit off with this white fur coat that I got from, I forget. Oh, I got this thrifting with Mila. And I don't even know, there's not even a tag in it. Like, I have no idea what brand it's from. But whatever, I love it. It's so comfortable and it's so warm. And I personally am loving like faux fur coats right now. Another obvious staple, pajamas. Just bringing sweatpants and a t-shirt, you know. And then I always wear, like, I love oversized sweatshirts when I'm sleeping. So I'll probably steal one of Nick's sweatshirts and bring that. Because, I don't know, I get pretty cold when I'm sleeping. And I find hotel rooms to be freezing. Like, freezing. Okay, next up, I got a bunch of bags of little things. This bag has my jewelry in it. So I just have 2 jean chokers. One has little gold stars all over it. It's lighter denim. And then I got one that's frayed. It's like a tiny bit frayed. So cute. And then I'm also bringing my earrings that my mom gave me for Christmas from J. Crew, as well as the matching necklace. And then, well, it's like semi-matching. They like don't actually match, but they like coordinate, I guess. They like pretty much match. And then I'm also bringing the necklace that Nick got me from Moonglow Jewellery. Shout out, sponsor me. I just think it's such a cool necklace. Like, I'm not even being fake about liking the company. Like, I just think it's really cool that he got me jewelry that has what the moon looked like on our anniversary. Like, that's sick. So that's honestly one of my favorite pieces of jewelry that I have. I pretty much wear that every day, unless I'm wearing a different necklace for some reason. And then I'm also bringing the bracelet that he gave me, I don't know when, maybe, yeah, 6 months. He gave it to me for 6 months. Just cute little silver bracelet. I love it. That's also an everyday staple. So I'll put that right there. Then this is my makeup bag. This bag is so cute and it's big, so it fits a lot. Got it at Forever 21. That's where I get like all my makeup bags and pencil cases and stuff, just because they're cheap and they're pretty good. And I'm not even going to show you what's in it, just because I literally use the same makeup products every day. Like, I don't ever vary. I didn't bring anything special. I used to go all out for gymnastic needs. Like, I literally used to bring like eyeshadow and glitter eyeliner and all this stuff, and now I'm just like, yeah, whatever I do for makeup that day is good enough for the meet later. Like, I just don't care about looking a certain way for gymnastics. Like, what? Like, no one shows up to a basketball game with like a full face of makeup. It's weird. Like, why is gymnastics any different? Like, I guess it's more about presentation and how you look, but I don't really think makeup affects it. Like, I don't know, I'm just saying. And then this last bag is all my hair stuff. So I have this scrunchie, got from Urban. It has a black bow on the end, and it's a cheetah print, or leopard print, I don't know. I don't know which. I think it's cheetah print. I feel like a cheetah girl when I wear this, but it's just so cute. And then, obviously, my competition bow, it's kind of crucial, it goes with my leotard. Then I just have a few hair elastics, some clear hair elastics, because I like to braid my hair sometimes. I can't decide how I'm going to do it for this meet, but I usually braid it like back in the front and then up in the back. And then some bobby pins, you know. Hair falls out, things happen. Gotta deal with it. So just toss that in, and then everything that is going in that part of my suitcase is done. Let me shut that. Okay, now another bag that I'm bringing that's separate is this purse. It's gonna go with every outfit that I'm wearing every day. It's a good size, and I like crossbodies for being in the city because I'm usually wearing a bigger coat, and I can just put the crossbody on and keep it inside my coat. Just if you're walking around on the streets, there's a lot of pickpockets, and you don't really necessarily want them like snatching your stuff. So yeah, I just love this bag. Got it at Charming Charlie's. I don't know, I just saw it and I was like, yo, you cheap, you cute, we're getting you. And it has actually a decent amount of pockets. Like there's 2 sections inside, and then there's 1 zippered pocket, and then this zippered pouch in the middle, and then 2 like they don't close, but these little like tiny pockets on the side for like hand sanitizer, lip gloss, mainly hand sanitizer. So this will definitely be super helpful in the city. Next I have this Dior bag. I mean, it's a Dior makeup bag, but I personally don't want to get the inside like nasty, like covered in like different types of makeup. So I've made this my electronics bag for this trip. So I have my vlog camera charger, my laptop charger, 2 portable chargers, my regular camera charger, my earbuds, like everything tech related you could possibly need is in this bag. So I'll probably keep that in my purse just because I'm going to need my vlog camera with me, my portable chargers, whatever, my earbuds if I'm getting like psyched up for the meet, you know, it's kind of what I do. And then obviously my wallet. Kind of quite a bit of change in here. I'm probably going to get $1. There's quite a bit of change in here right now that I'm definitely going to need to get rid of before we go because it is actually making my wallet so heavy. Like so unbelievably heavy. So I definitely need to clean that out a bit. I mean, when it like falls hard. Like, listen to this. I don't know if that was loud on camera, but it like slams the floor. Okay, so moving on to the outside pockets, I put more toiletries stuff. So for my hairstyling essentials, I obviously have my Conair Infinity Pro blow dryer. I'm just gonna put these in this big outside pocket up here. My Chi straightener, Kai, I'm pretty sure it's Chi. That's how my mom says it. She's probably right. And then I have my round styling brush, and then just my regular hair brush. Oh my god, they're covered in hair. But just my regular styling brush. Should probably clean the hair out of those before I go, but let's be real, I'm not doing that. Okay, and then just a few like toiletry type products. I have this Pantene hairspray. Can't go to a gymnastics meet unless you have hairspray. It just doesn't work. Then I have my Curl Sculpt. I just put that on my hair every day. I use it as gel, even if I don't curl it. Like, it works. My Mario Badescu, the glycolic foaming cleanser is what I use. Works pretty well. I find it to be a little bit harsh and drying on my skin, just because my skin has been unbelievably dry lately. Like, flaking off. Like, I noticed this started like, I don't know. It's not like just a winter thing. Like, I have extremely dry skin. And I noticed in like September, I put my forehead, I was like resting it on Nick's like dark green fleece. And when I pulled my head up, there were like skin flakes on his fleece. That's disgusting. So I've been trying to fix it. And like I use moisturizer after moisturizer. Half of them don't make my skin any more wet. So, I don't know, moisturizers, they just clog my skin, they don't work. So I've literally been using this body oil, like, on my face. I don't think you're supposed to use it. It's the Neutrogena just body oil, and it's like mainly sesame seed oil. And it's been working. I don't think I'm breaking out from it, but it's been making my face a lot more moisturized, which is so needed because dry skin is the absolute worst. And like, when I'll use my spoolie and do my eyebrows, like skin will flake off around my eyebrows, like, God, it's tragic. Last but not least, for my toiletries section, my Dove deodorant, which was actually recommended to me by Alexa. Classic. And I don't know, it just smells really good. I find that it works. And then obviously, I'm not leaving tonight, so I'm not going to put my toothbrush in here yet. But I'll put my toothbrush and my toothpaste. Those aren't crucial, you don't really need to see those, but I'll put those in tomorrow morning. Unless you want me to not brush my teeth tonight or tomorrow morning. Just saying. So now my suitcase is packed. There are a few more things that I'm probably going to pack. Just, they're not really going in my suitcase. Like, obviously gonna bring my camera bag, gonna bring my laptop, but I'll probably bring that in the car just so I can edit this video while I'm in the car. Just driving down. And then Oh yeah, I guess I didn't pack I didn't include my contact, like my contact case, my contact solution. That's pretty crucial. And then I'll probably also bring my coloring book to do in the car. I have trouble finding stuff to do in the car just because I get super car sick. And so usually I just pick the music and my mom just deals with whatever I want to play as we drive. And then that keeps me not super bored, so I guess that's about it. I think I included pretty much everything. Oh! No. So, I already made my bed this morning, so I'm absolutely not grabbing my pillow out from behind my entire bed setup. But super, super, super important travel essential for me is bringing my own pillow, just because, first off, the pillows in hotels are always super squishy, and I just feel like I don't know, I like a harder pillow. Like the one I have the Claritin something pillow, which is super, like, it's very squishy and soft, but it's super thick. So you lie on it and it definitely compresses down a lot, but there's so much pillow that it's still like a good thickness for me. And it's super soft. It's actually like a cloud. Sponsor me, please, Claritin pillows. If you know me, I'm a loser. I like to sleep with a stuffed animal. I just like having something under my arm while I sleep. It's not even like I'm like emotionally need a stuffed animal. It's like I physically like to sleep with my arm a certain way. So this is Wolfie, nicknamed him. His grandma gave me him. It's just a little cute little bear with the University of Arkansas t-shirt. And yeah, his grandma brought him to me all the way from Arkansas. And it was just the sweetest little thing, and I absolutely love him, so obviously gonna bring him. Okay, so I guess that's about it for today's video. I'm pretty much packed, except for the few things I have to throw in tomorrow morning. Like this video, and if you're new to my channel, definitely hit the subscribe button. It's down below. And if you're not new, or if you are new and you want to be the first one to see my videos, definitely hit the bell, which will turn on my post notifications. That's right next to the subscribe button if you're on a mobile. I think it's the same way on a computer. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Well, I'll actually see you guys tomorrow because I'm vlogging, so. Love you guys, and I will see you next time. So I thought I needed